Learn English to Gujarati drive verbs. Drive, I drive, you drive in.
વાહન ચલાવવું.
Welcome to the road. Hey, you are about to learn one super useful action in Gujarati, driving. Buckle up your imaginary seatbelt because this lesson is friendly, funny, and very easy to repeat aloud. Today's star word is drive.
વાહન ચલાવવું.
Say it once slowly.
વાહન ચલાવવું.
Imagine a goat in sunglasses trying to park a tiny taxi. Yes, a goat. And what is the goat trying to do?
વાહન ચલાવવું.
Meet the main verb. Let's start with the base idea before the people jump into the car. You only need one key phrase first. Drive in Gujarati is
વાહન ચલાવવું.
Think, vehicle plus movement. I want to drive to the city. In Gujarati, I want to.
વાહન ચલાવવું.
She can drive very fast. The key action is still.
વાહન ચલાવવું.
Learning to drive takes practice. In your mind, hold a steering wheel and repeat.
વાહન ચલાવવું.
I take the wheel. Now you jump into the driver's seat. This is the form you will probably use first in real life. I drive is.
હું ચલાવું છું.
Say it with confidence.
હું ચલાવું છું.
Every day, I drive to work. The key phrase is.
હું ચલાવું છું.
Picture your cat wearing a leather jacket, touching a toy car, and proudly announcing.
હું ચલાવું છું.
Slightly worrying, but memorable. You at the wheel. Time to talk to one friend directly. Maybe a friend who definitely should not text and drive. You drive is.
તું ચલાવે છે.
Repeat it.
તું ચલાવે છે.
You drive to work every morning.
તું ચલાવે છે.
On this road, you drive very fast.
તું ચલાવે છે.
Imagine a dog in sunglasses looking at you very seriously and saying, "No bus today."
તું ચલાવે છે.
Single quote. He drives, she drives. Good news. These two are easy together. In Gujarati here, the form is the same, so your brain gets a small gift. He drives is.
તી ચલાવે છે.
She drives is also.
તી ચલાવે છે.
He drives to work every morning.
તી ચલાવે છે.
When it rains, she drives carefully.
તી ચલાવે છે.
Mini drama time. Who took the car? He drives.
તી ચલાવે છે.
Who picked up grandma? She drives.
તી ચલાવે છે.
So if you hear.
તી ચલાવે છે.
Context tells you whether it is he drives or she drives. The car goes. Now the driver disappears and the vehicle becomes the star. Yes, finally the car gets its own scene. It goes is.
તી જાય છે.
Repeat.
તી જાય છે.
When the light turns green, it goes forward.
તી જાય છે.
The bus leaves now, it goes very fast.
તી જાય છે.
Imagine a lazy chair suddenly growing wheels and rolling to the kitchen. Why? Because.
તી જાય છે.
Very efficient furniture. We drive together. Now you are not alone. Snacks are packed, someone forgot the map, and your group is ready. We drive is.
અમે વાહન ચલાવીએ છીએ.
Say it slowly.
અમે વાહન ચલાવીએ છીએ.
We drive to the city every morning.
અમે વાહન ચલાવીએ છીએ.
When it rains, we drive slowly.
અમે વાહન ચલાવીએ છીએ.
Picture a family road trip where even the dog has sunglasses and everyone proudly says.
અમે વાહન ચલાવીએ છીએ.
You all drive. Let's talk to a whole group now. Maybe your friends, maybe your family, maybe an alarming number of goats with licenses. You all drive is.
તમે બધા ચલાવો છો.
Repeat it.
તમે બધા ચલાવો છો.
You all drive to school every morning.
તમે બધા ચલાવો છો.
When you all drive, the road gets busy.
તમે બધા ચલાવો છો.
Imagine one giant car with 15 cheerful cousins waving from the windows. A narrator booms.
તમે બધા ચલાવો છો.
Quick roadside dialogue. Now hear the words inside a tiny story. Listen, smile, and repeat the Gujarati parts aloud. A. Can you drive? B. Yes, I can.
વાહન ચલાવવું.
A. Who is taking the car? B.
તે ચલાવે છે.
A. Are we taking the bus? B. No.
અમે વાહન ચલાવીએ છીએ.
A. Why is the bus moving already? B. Because.
તે જાય છે.
A. Who has the keys? B. Apparently everybody.
તમે બધા ચલાવો છો.
Memory tricks and funny pictures. Let's make these words stick in your brain like a parking ticket, but much more pleasant. For drive, picture a bright red car blocking your front door until you say.
વાહન ચલાવવું.
For I drive, touch your chest and mime a steering wheel.
હું ચલાવું છું.
For you drive, point at one friend and say.
તું ચલાવે છે.
For he drives and she drives, point at a person and say.
તે ચલાવે છે.
For it goes, point forward like a movie trailer narrator and say.
તે જાય છે.
For we drive, imagine your whole group shouting from inside one car.
અમે વાહન ચલાવીએ છીએ.
For you all drive, point at the whole crowd and say.
તમે બધા ચલાવો છો.
Mini quiz at the traffic light. Time for a fast quiz. No stress. If you miss one, just U-turn and try again. How do you say drive?
વાહન ચલાવવું.
How do you say I drive?
હું ચલાવું છું.
How do you say you drive?
તું ચલાવે છે.
How do you say he drives?
તે ચલાવે છે.
How do you say she drives?
તે ચલાવે છે.
How do you say it goes?
તે જાય છે.
How do you say we drive?
અમે વાહન ચલાવીએ છીએ.
How do you say you all drive?
તમે બધા ચલાવો છો.
Your final driving challenge. Now say these with me like a confident learner on a very safe and imaginary highway. Drive.
વાહન ચલાવવું.
I drive.
હું ચલાવું છું.
You drive.
તું ચલાવે છે.
He drives.
તે ચલાવે છે.
She drives.
તે ચલાવે છે.
It goes.
તે જાય છે.
We drive.
અમે વાહન ચલાવીએ છીએ.
You all drive.
તમે બધા ચલાવો છો.
Thanks and keep practicing. Great job today. You learned a whole driving family of words in Gujarati, and your brain did not even ask for roadside assistance. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud.
વાહન ચલાવવું. હું ચલાવું છું. તું ચલાવે છે. તે ચલાવે છે. તે જાય છે. અમે વાહન ચલાવીએ છીએ.
And.
તમે બધા ચલાવો છો.
Practice a little every day, and soon these phrases will roll out naturally. Safe learning, and see you in the next chapter.